Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Saurabh Shah's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is saurabhsharclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call or WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join our institution as a student, and you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like GLET. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the GLET 2024, and the question is telling us that if A, B are real orthogonal matrices of same order and determinant of A plus determinant of B is equals to 0, then A plus B is what? Okay. So I think this is a very easy question. If we know a single term that our if A and B are real orthogonal matrices, we can easily say that the eigenvalues, let us call lambda of A and B, has to be equals to 1. Okay, so as they are a real orthogonal matrices, so the only possibility is to be 1 and minus 1. So they told us that determinant of A plus determinant of B is equals to 0. So let us take det A is equals to, let us take it has two sorry, let us take it is a 2 cross 2 matrix and it is also a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so let us take it as 1 0 0 1, and for this we can take 1 0 0 minus 1. Then what we will get? So the determinant of it will be 1 and the determinant of it will be our minus 1. So 1 plus minus 1 we will get 0, or in any other various options. So we can easily say that as our eigenvalues are only 1 and minus 1, we can have any permutations or anything for this. So if we if we are getting this kind of things, so after adding A with B, then we will get a matrix which will always get the lower rank of the full rank. That means the rank of this A plus B has to be less than n. Okay, so as where our A is a n cross n matrix and our B is also a n cross n matrix, so as the rank is lower than n, so that is what? So that will be singular matrix, because there are some dependent rows here. So our option A will be the correct answer of this question, that our option A, that our A plus B will be singular matrix. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have having any other doubts or queries, so please feel free to contact on this number, or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email, so you can join our institution as a student and you can enjoy the various services of Dr. Saurabh's classes. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.